Why did Jesus say the kingdom of heaven is like a mustard seed? Jesus didn't always teach directly. He often spoke in parables or simple stories with eternal meaning. One day he said, "The kingdom of heaven is like a grain of mustard seed." A mustard seed is tiny, barely noticeable, but when planted, it grows into a large tree. Why would Jesus compare heaven's kingdom to that? Because he was the seed. Planted by God, sent from above, placed in the soil of humanity. And like any seed, he had to go into the ground. He went to the cross, he died, he was buried. Unless a grain of wheat falls into the earth and dies, it remains alone. But if it dies, it bears much fruit. That tomb was like soil, and on the third day the seed sprouted. New life burst forth. Jesus rose again. But the growth didn't stop there. The seed became a tree, and it's still growing. For 2,000 years, this kingdom has spread across the world. Millions have found rest in its branches. And the gospel, like a mustard tree, keeps reaching deeper, wider, stronger. Because when Jesus said the kingdom is like a mustard seed, he wasn't just telling a story. He was telling his own.